Onewheels and butterfly knives. Maybe not the most ideal combo. Will I run over my $250 butterfly knife by my $2,400 Onewheel? Let's find out. No! No! Overhand! Oh shit! Oh! Ow! The hard part is that I can't really see where I'm going. Oh shoot, I'm messing up a bunch. Alright. No! Alright, so I've dropped it once already. Let's see how long until I drop it again. Giraffe time. That was not clean, but it worked. Whew, I can't see where I'm going. Hit my knee there. See if I can get my offhand going. Woo! Time to go hard combo and speed on the Onewheel. Alright, let's do some carving. Okay. Do some more aerials this time. You know? I haven't done a bunch of aerials yet. Oof! That was so close to running it over. I almost just cooked my butterfly knife. Alright, still intact and flipping good. Draft time. Ooh. Oh, that was smooth. Oh, that was like the worst giraffe I've ever done. Alright, let's see how many of these. Whew, overhand. Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh, so close. Oh, let's go. No. Ow. So we might have fallen like once. He got banged up, but hey, I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's keep going. No, I'm absolutely destroying my Kraken right now. Remember, if we hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna buy a Nautilus V2. So make sure to sub so that my Kraken isn't my only good trainer. Come on, guys. Oh, best way to grab it. So this video is really fun. And it was all my idea. You guys need to give me some more video suggestions so that I don't like run out of ideas, you know. Oh, that was clean. Alright, we're doing some swing tech. No, I was way late. There we go. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you had any more video suggestions, make sure to comment. And if I get 100 subs, I buy myself a Nautilus. And my Kraken trainer is looking pretty rough, so please sub. I need to get a new knife. Well, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.